I have a really important safety tip for these upcoming winter months, and this is in regards to space heaters. If you are going to be running a space heater, which are generally rated at 1500 watts, it is so important to have an electrician come out or have you verify that you're on a 20 amp rated circuit. If not, you are lending yourself to having a burn outlet like this. I see more burn outlets with the use of space heaters than anything else. It's so unbelievably crazy how often this happens. The reason this is happening, space heaters are almost always rated at 1500 watts. When you take 1500 and you divide it by 120, which is your volts, you get 12.5 amps. You might say it's 12.5, I'm on a 15 amp circuit. What's the big deal? The thing is, a space heater is going to be running for 3 hours or longer. And on top of that, you are going to be running it for days on end because the winter is usually long, especially here in Omaha. That time period, that extended time period of 3 hours or longer plus days on end, that eventually builds heat into the wire and the outlet, especially on a 15 amp rated circuit. And if the wire isn't sized properly, like for a 20 amp rated circuit, then it gets too hot and it starts to melt both the wire and the outlet. So what you should have a 20 amp rated outlet. This slash mark here, that makes it a 20 amp rated outlet. Is really important to buy a high quality one, not a cheap Menards special. Another thing is the 12 gauge wire. So this is 12 gauge Romex wire. It's 12-2. These two important components, along with the proper installation of said wire and the outlet, which means not backstabbing the outlet. So this outlet has side flanges, but you can try to force a 12 gauge wire into a backstab and sometimes make it happen. It's only rated for 14-2. So always wrap your wires around these screws, especially with something like a space heater. Really important safety tip for the winter months. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Thanks for watching. Take care.